DeatschWerks.com has online tools like calculators, injector calibration data, and fuel component tech sheets to help you with many aspects of building your fuel system. Here we will go through a step-by-step on how to navigate the DeatschWerks fuel pump calculator. This calculator is used to recommend a fuel pump based on your setup. Okay, let's get right in it. First, go to DeatschWerks.com. Once you're there, hover over the Tech tab and click on the Fuel Calculator button. This brings you to the Fuel Calculator portal, which you can navigate to all the different fuel calculators. Click on the fuel pump calculator. There are 5 categories to fill out: number of injectors, injector flow rate, base fuel pressure, boost pressure, and fuel system type. Let's go through them in order. For the number of injectors, input the amount of cylinders you're running. For this example, we would do a V8, so 8. Injector flow rate will be the sizing of the injectors you'll be using in the build. 500 cc will work for this example, so 500. Base fuel pressure will be the fuel pressure you plan to run. Refer to your OEM for what base fuel pressure is on your vehicle. In this test, we will use 40 psi, so 40. For boost pressure, list your max boost pressure. If you're NA, input 0. We will be using 10 psi for this test, so 10. For fuel system type, there's return style and returnless. Return style returns fuel at the rail with a standard regulator. Returnless is either a pulse width modified pump or the regulator is in the pump module in the fuel tank. Refer to your year, make, and model for more info on if your car is return or returnless. For this test, we will use a return style. Finally, click Calculate and it will display a flow rate at a certain PSI. This example, it recommends a pump flow rate at 240 liters per hour at 50 psi. Our DW200 would be able to supply that power, but would be right on the limit. So we would recommend a DW300 for this build. Always make sure you look for a pump in our catalog that is slightly larger than what is recommended, so you know you'll have the headroom on your fuel system. This concludes our tutorial on how to use the DeatschWerks fuel pump calculator. Check out our other fuel calculator tutorials on our YouTube channel.